Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with some happy mail that I received. I received a package from Roseanne. She is Roseanne Herrera here on YouTube. On her channel, this looks more like a circle than a square, but this is her YouTube channel name. And she sent me a message saying she sent me something to my post office box, so it's a total surprise. So I have it here. So we're gonna unbox it together. I have her address covered up. So let's see what I received. She has it taped up. Man, this was not coming apart. So let's see what's in there. I'm excited. I don't often get happy mail, so I can't wait to see what she sent me. All right, man, this box is a doozy. So, almost there. Okay, so I'm put it aside. This is what it looks like so far. I see some pink in there, so I like that. So we're gonna set it aside, and we're gonna pull out what it is, and some tissue paper. And oh my goodness, look at this adorable box. It says "Happy Day." And then she has this cute little rosette and these pink cameras on this card here with the little camera. That is really cute with the washi tape, and I'm gonna read what it says. She says, "Surprise, Felicia, I hope this puts a smile on your face as you put one on mine when I receive your package. Sorry for the delay, but life is crazy right now." Her daughter's expecting her first baby. How sweet is that? She created these just for me. She says, have a blessed day. Hugs, Roseanne. So that is so sweet. So she created this just for me. So let me see. Oh, it has this really pretty jewel here. Isn't that pretty? And it opens up this way. Let's see. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Look at all these goodies. And it's so pretty right here. It's like shutters, but they have little sayings on them. It says, "Happy, be kind, magical day, make it count." How pretty is that? Can you guys see that? Do I have it in camera? I hope so. But the really pretty pink stone there, and then just filled with awesomeness. I can already tell. So let's look and see what's first. I'm gonna pull it aside and pull each item out. So first up is these really pretty bows that I'm sure Roseanne made. Look at that. Green and the blue and pink stripe is really pretty. And this paper is gorgeous with the gold and green. Wow, thank you so much. This is so pretty. Okay, let's move to the next item. And then she has this cute little box. Oh, and it's just totally decorated on both sides. It says, "This is the life." And it has a cute little baby rosette. You see that here? And a bow. And then it has a little, I think that's Maggie Holmes sticker back there. And it's really pretty ribbon. And then you flip it around, it's pretty on this side too. And it has a little card. Look, I wish I had a card that looked like that. It's too cute. And then it says, "Let's go," with the bow and the pretty rosette. And look at this XOXO cutout she has here. Oh, and the little girl there. I didn't see that. That is so pretty. I don't know. I even want to open it. Let's open it together. Yeah, it's pretty ribbon. It's so nice. Nicely made. And I'll put that aside. And it, oh, look at here. Oh, how adorable. Some pinwheels. Aren't they cute? I'm looking really hard at these, like, can I make these? I don't know. And it has the little gem in the middle and then the little pom-pom on the end to close it out. I'm not even paying attention if I'm in the shot, so hopefully I am. But these are so pretty. Thank you so much, Roseanne. Let's put them back in there. This is a really nice die for this box. I really like it a lot. Perfect size. Really cute. Super cute. And then this is the shred that's in there. It's super pink. Isn't that girly pink? I love it. And then, oh man, this really, oh look at this. This bow and it's tied up. Really pretty color. And let's see. It looks like a, God, I can't get it untied. She tied it so well. It wasn't falling out of here. Let's see, really pretty. Take it out. Oh man, this is so nice. I've never seen anything like this in person because I don't make this stuff like this. This is so pretty, and it's a camera. And look at this moment, and the pretty flare, and the butterflies. And this, it's a shaker. Oh man, with the pretty goodies on the inside. And then look at this cluster here with the little sweet butterfly. He's just like, he's burly on there. He's so cute. And then the little beads on the flowers. So much detail. And then the ribbon. And then look at this tassel. And then this little charm. And I think these are called bulb. I have some of these, but I don't know exactly what they're called. I think they're called bulb or something. I don't know. Super pretty. So let's turn the page. Oh gosh. Look at that. Make sure I'm in the shot. Look at this. The camera. It says, oh, hello there. And look at this little camera. Oh, man. Oh, it's so cute. Gosh. Oh, and just, oh, in a journaling place. And look at this. The butterfly. It's all over. I love butterflies. I like these details. This is so adorable. Oh, and gosh, everything I like, which are maps, and I like photography. So it's like right up my alley. Look at this, so pretty. And then a little baby page. I always remember. And it looks like Maggie Holmes, and the flowers, and the potted plant. And this one with the postcard. This is adorable. Look at here. Flower and a little birdie over here. And then on the last page is another camera. You have more good camera ephemera that you gifted me. How pretty. Oh man, and look at the back. Just so much detail. It says bloom with grace. And look at that bow. That bow is really pretty. The bow and the tag. I like how she covered up the hole in the tag with the sequins and the little bitty bead. Or oh, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much. Just hard work and effort that went into this and creativity. I am just really blown away at your generosity. So thank you so much, Roseanne. And then here's the little box. And it's so pretty. And then the little bows. I just hope everything was in shot. Because I'm just blown away at how cute this is. This is adorable. So check out her channel. Once again, it's she's Roseanne Herrera here on YouTube. Very sweet individual, really good videos. She always showing something that makes me want to go buy it. So if you like to write craft haul videos, check her out. and she's an awesome crafter, as you can see. I don't even have to say that after seeing all this loveliness here. So thanks.